Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check saved Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, open up the app, and then go to the Wi-Fi. Now, locate the Wi-Fi you're using, or you want to know the password to, and press the I on it to get more of information. And basically what you want to do is just tap on password, then it's going to ask for a password or Face ID if you have it, and then it's going to show you the password for the Wi-Fi. If you tap on it, you can copy it, share it with others, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.